sheep just ruined my day. Shout out to the sheep for ruining this one piece of grass. Perhaps I can make a city. Or not. Because I still have to build three more. The lies. Emote. What is that? I just scratched the. I can tell that this has been damaged. Actually,
The adults. Here, you can play in your own little piss water bath. You'd rather be at home playing Fortnite, but you couldn't have dug a little deeper. Bro was barely getting his ankles wet. This is just pathetic. Oh, yeah, because that's how fake nails work. You just take some toothpaste, pop a fake nail on it. You know what? Why do people go to the salon? Pay over $50, $60 for some nails when you can just do this. They've simply cracked the code.
I can destroy this ruin because I don't want it anymore.
To a balloon.
Because I'm building a neighborhood.
There is absolutely no way. They cannot be serious. First of all, bro, what kind of fantasy world do we live in? This is Pixar behavior. Like, you cannot take your phone to a balloon. First of all, the phone is too heavy. It will never go up. Maybe if you had, like, a ton of balloons, I would say at least 10. There might be a chance that it could lift, like, a GoPro. And then just, like, find the longest string possible. But the balloons, check up all this farmland from hundreds of feet up into the air. Record a video, and then bring it back down. Yeah. Just like that, you put drones out of business. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. Some kid is gonna watch it and be like, I can do that? I can put glitter all over your toes? Oh, not the dogs. What did she do? Was that supposed to look good? You know, you could have just wore some socks. But I have itchy, glittery feet. It's not cute. I just wanted you to be normal for one night. Pour several tons of glitter all over his feet. That looks horrible.
Oh yeah, it's in my test. What is this? Get. Man, I'm really getting sick of these. Why is there one? You're kidding me right now? My brother is crying for absolutely no reason. Finally.